Is your WhatsApp desktop app crashing on Windows 11? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through quick and easy steps to fix the issue and get you back online in no time. Open the search menu, type Microsoft Store, and open it. Select Library from the left menu. Click on Get Updates and wait for the updates to complete. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Open the search menu, type Apps and Features, and open it. Locate WhatsApp in the app list, click the three-dot menu, and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. Open the search menu again, type Microsoft Store, and open it. Search for WhatsApp, click Get, and install it. Once installed, click Open and sign in. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.